Hi, my name is Mirto Pitsava and I'm an Education Technology Specialist at NUITEQ. I would like to show you some of the improvements we have made to the latest release of NUITEQ Snowflake. We are excited to let you know that we have further improved the performance of the software, which has resulted in Snowflake being up to 18% faster than before. We have also made changing the language in Snowflake much easier. Just click on the cogwheel in the corner menu, and then you can switch between over 40 languages, including Spanish, Swedish, and other popular languages. Furthermore, we have made switching between zones much easier and faster. Here, I have opened the Whiteboard app in one zone and the Lessons app in another. By clicking on the corner menu when in full screen mode, I can easily toggle between the two zones. In cards, we have added a memory mode, making this lesson type even more fun by simulating the well-loved memory game. Memory mode creates a copy of each card, and students need to find the two cards that form a pair. This is a great way for students to exercise their short-term memory. In the drop lesson type, we have added a Simplified mode. By toggling the Simplified mode button, you can choose to have the cards in the inner ring rotate or be stationary. In Simplified mode, the outer cards are locked to the upright position. This is ideal if you want to make it accessible to everybody. We have also further improved the bugs lesson type. By popular request, if you select Hide Cards, then the cards will disappear and the text will appear straight on top of the bugs. We have also added some new bug types in addition to the ladybug. These three new capabilities for the cards, drop and bugs lesson types are also available in the online version of NUITEQ Snowflake, which you can find on the website snow.live. In the Lessons app, we have also further improved the way Snowflake works with standards. We recommend you to check it out and explore the new functionality. We have given Annotate a fresh lick of paint. You can access Annotate via the corner menu and use it in top of any app inside Snowflake. Here, for example, I have opened it in the Media app inside of Snowflake. And I can use it to draw attention to a certain part of the picture. In line with our belief that interfaces should be natural and intuitive, we have improved the visibility and readability of the icons in the file browser. As you can see, the icons are now larger than they used to be. And you can see an example of this in the Media app in Snowflake. You can now import and play a lesson inside the Whiteboard app. Write down your notes about the lesson in another sheet, then save everything in one file. This makes collecting all your teaching material in one place even easier and faster. We have added the ability to choose where to save files to and where to load them from, rather than saving them in the default folder. This makes it easier for teachers to find their files quickly. In the Jigsaw app, we added an option to divide puzzles in a 2x2 grid. This is an ideal first step for students that are just getting started with jigsaw puzzles. In the online version of NUITEQ Snowflake, which you can access via the website snow.live, we have added the groups capability, user pages, and a page for shared lessons, as well as the option to unshare a lesson. I hope you enjoy the new capabilities of Snowflake, and I encourage you to download the latest version from our website at NUITEQ.com. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let us know. We're here to help.